Is it just me? Because at this point, I don't know if this is for me anymore. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So guys, this is me on my screening day, rushing to go and get one or two documents, and thankfully I was able to do that. And after that, I went for lecture. Honestly, the stress is just too much. Look at baby girl, my face looks so stressed. I mean, after all the struggles in school, you still get to the park to start waiting and struggling to get vehicle abi korope to go off campus. At this point, I was tired, but I was still maintaining beauty. I beg, Ilori no go kill me. Guys, this particular day, baby girl decided to go to school early and nothing happened. No lecture. Like, I almost cried that day before I got cab to go home. I honestly regretted going to school on this particular day because God. Hey guys, welcome back again. So guys, today's Tuesday and yesterday Monday, I went through hell. Like, shege was felt yesterday. I saw Shege yesterday in school. So today I decided not to go to school because the stress I went through, honestly, I couldn't, my body could not handle it. So yesterday I finished my lecture around 4. Yeah, around 2 5. So I left school around 5 and I was at the park for 2 hours plus before I was able to get a cab to come to my hostel off campus. And honestly, like, you won't imagine how students were risking their life just so they could get a cab out of the school. Like, and me, I'm not the kind of person that like to stress myself. As you see me, my body is so fragile. I can't fit stress myself for anything. I don't mind staying there for long as long as I get home safe and sound. So honestly, I got home around 8 yesterday and I was very tired. Like, the only thing I could do was just eat and sleep. Like, I slept till this morning. And I already said it. I already sometimes, like I say, being a serious student, no they pay. Because yesterday of all day that I went to school early. I went to school early because now, as a final year student, most of the lecturers they used to take attendance. So I was so happy that at least I've missed a lot of attendance. So I decided to go to school early yesterday, and I was disappointed. Like, the class for morning did not hold, and the one for evening was also cancelled. That was why I even left early. If not, I was supposed to be in school till 6 o'clock before I even go to the park to go and start waiting for 2 more hours. But because the class for 4 to 6 was cancelled, and then the class for 2 to 5, the lecturer finished before 5 because students were already murmuring that they were tired and all that. So guys, I'm at home. I can't do it. If they like, they should take attendance today. I know they go. So my plan now, since I'm not going to school, is to write some of the notes I missed yesterday that I could not, like, I was in class but then I was at the back, so I could not hear what the lecturer was saying. So I got a note from someone and then I'm going to complete the note. And also I'm reading, like, I'm actually reading right now. I'm currently reading. So since I did not go to school, let me share and make sure that the day is productive for me rather than just being lazy. Of course I can't be lazy. I have works to do, so I'm already reading. And yeah, that's how today is going for me. That's how Tuesday is going for me. I know you see this my room. I know they go outside. The only thing that will take me outside is to go and buy something because I plan on going to buy something this evening. I might change my mind. I don't know yet. But yeah, this is how my day is going. Okay. is it just me? Because at this point, I don't know if this is for me anymore. Because, guys, since on Tuesday, I haven't done any video. Like, I have a lot of video ideas piled up, mostly for my hair videos. But then I just feel unmotivated. Like, I feel down. I mean, like, this past few weeks has really been so tough for me, coupled with the stress in school. Everything is just so, I don't know, it's just somehow. And then, trying to put in effort, and one video will just be struggling to get 50 views. Like, why? What's the point? Hey, good. What's the point? And then that's why I say that this thing, but if not that I have passion for it, trust me guys, I would have given up since. But then no, I actually won't give up, because when you picture the what the future is going to be like, and you give up, I mean, it's something that somebody will regret. So I don't want a situation whereby, because at this point I'm beginning to question that it seems YouTube is not for me, so let me just pack my bag and go. Let me just pack my bag and go, because I don't tire. Like, data, spending money on data, the stress, and here and there, I don't know. Like, I don't understand what's going on. What is going on? Then I used to hear, like, okay, once you get your 1,000 subscribers, it's gonna be easy. Like, YouTube is gonna be pushing your video. It's a lie. If your video doesn't have those keywords, and I don't just know, YouTube is not gonna push it. So I don't know. All these my 1,000 subscribers, kilo day, what is going on? Why are people not watching my videos? Why are people not engaging in my videos? Don't you like it? Well, I believe you do, because that's the reason why you hit the subscribe button. So maybe you forgot to turn on the notification. So please turn on your notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you get notified and engage in my content. Because at this point, baby girl is getting tired, but then we are not we know they give up for my side. So yeah, season Tuesday, I actually haven't done any videos. I'm just like, even the videos going up since last week are the ones I've done before and scheduled for the week. So I've not created any new content, but now I'm back up. Like, I stumbled upon a video yesterday, and then it's encouraged me. So that's why I decided to, like, okay, this break that I'm giving myself is way too much. Like, it's too long. So let us just come back, and yeah, let us come back and do something. So right now, I even want to film a video, my hair video. Let me show you guys what I want to do. So guys, like I said, I currently want to record a video. Yeah, the products I use for my hair. And then, like I said, I have lots of videos piled up, mostly for hairs though. So this is something that I'm creating for an hairstyle that I want to make. So, but this is not all. I still have to do more. So yeah, I'm back. Okay, like, baby girl is back. So guys, baby girl is back. Baby girl, like, I miss. It's not, I kind of actually miss doing this. Like, do you know, I have videos that are yet to be edited, and they need voiceover, but I've been having this anxiety. Like, I don't know, like, I just feel this fear, I don't know, to do a voiceover, to edit it. I was just like, this has been happening for weeks now. Like, I can't even count how many weeks that I've had that videos and I haven't recorded it, because anytime I think about doing it, I just have this fear, and then start thinking that, oh, at the end of the day, this video is not going to get more than just 50 views. So what's the point? Let me just leave it. But this time, even though I'm going to get 10 views for that video, I'm still gonna do it. Okay, we're not gonna give up just yet. So yes, so guys, today is actually Sunday, and tomorrow, obviously, school is going to continue, and I don't know how the week is going to be yet, but hopefully we're going to have content for vlog. Hopefully, I don't know yet, but trust me, for my hair videos, you guys, baby girl is coming for you guys. Like, I'm coming for, if you are not If you're not watching my hair videos, I don't know what you're still waiting for. I don't know why. I don't know why you're not watching my hair videos. Don't you like the length of my hair? Don't you like the way it's thick? So I have content on my hair journey, my haircut journey, how I grew my hair and all that. So in case you are not watching my hair videos, please do well to check it out. And yeah, this is just it. Sorry guys for ranting. I just needed to voice out. Yeah, but I'm fine now. Like I'm fine. Like I said, I stumbled upon a video yesterday, and then today's word for today's Sunday service prophetic word was encouraging. And yeah, I'm fine. Like I'm fine. And the fact that I even love what I'm doing is just everything for me. It's everything. Like it's the main reason why I haven't even given up. Like I love what I'm doing, and even the little people that are supporting, I appreciate you guys so much. I love everything that you do for me. Thank you so much, and God bless you all. So this is going to be the end of this video. If you have not given this video a big thumbs up, I don't know why, and don't forget, give it a big thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, and subscribe if you still haven't done so. And I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.